In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Sheets to your desktop. If you want a copy of your spreadsheet you can use without internet, share with someone who prefers Excel, or just keep as a local backup, this quick process has you covered. We'll walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect and where your file goes. Start with your Google Sheet open in your web browser. At the very top left of the window, you'll see the File menu. Click File to reveal a list of options. This is where Google Sheets keeps tools for sharing, exporting, and managing your document. Next, move your mouse over the option labeled Download. You don't need to click right away, just hover over Download. A side menu will slide out, showing several formats you can export to. Hovering simply means positioning your cursor over the menu item and pausing for a brief moment so the submenu appears. From that list, choose Microsoft Excel, .xlsx. This is the standard format used by Microsoft Excel and many other spreadsheet programs. Selecting this option tells Google Sheets to convert your current spreadsheet into a compatible Excel workbook. In most cases, your data, formatting, and formulas will transfer over smoothly. If your sheet uses very advanced or Google-specific features, they'll still come across, but they might look a little different in Excel, so it's a good idea to review the downloaded file later. Once you select Microsoft Excel, your browser will begin the download. Depending on your browser settings, one of two things will happen. Either the file will automatically save to your default downloads folder, or your browser will prompt you to choose a location on your computer. If you're prompted, pick a folder you'll remember. If the download happens automatically, you can find the file in your Downloads folder. The downloaded file name usually matches the title of your Google Sheet. That's it. The spreadsheet is now saved to your computer for offline use. You can open it anytime without an internet connection using Microsoft Excel or another app that supports .xlsx files. If your spreadsheet contains multiple tabs, those will appear as separate sheets within the single Excel workbook. Charts, images, and basic conditional formatting typically carry over well, but take a quick look after opening the file to confirm everything appears as expected. If you ever need a fresh copy, repeat these same steps to grab the latest version. For organization, consider adding a date or version to the file name so you can tell copies apart. And remember, download permissions depend on the file's sharing settings. If you can view the sheet, you can usually download it. You now know exactly how to download Google Sheets to your desktop.